If you are over 60, stop scrolling right now. Because what I am about to tell you could save you from a dangerous mistake that many seniors unknowingly make every single day. Magnesium is often called the miracle mineral. Doctors recommend it, health shows praise it, and supplement companies market it as the answer to fatigue, cramps, and sleepless nights. But here is the shocking truth that few people ever mention. Magnesium is not safe for everyone. For some seniors, it can quietly cause heart rhythm problems, dangerously low blood pressure, confusion, and even kidney failure. Yes, you heard that right. While magnesium can heal some people, it can harm others. That is why I want you to stay with me till the very end, because I am going to reveal 4 warning signs that mean you should never take magnesium, and 5 signs that mean your body is literally begging for it. And please, as we go along, leave a comment below. Tell me if you have ever felt dizzy, weak, or restless after taking a magnesium supplement. Your story might help someone watching this video tonight. Let me start with a real story. A few months ago, I met a woman named Linda from Florida. She is 72, warm-hearted, and loves gardening. Linda started taking magnesium because she kept getting painful leg cramps at night. She read online that magnesium helps muscles relax, so she began taking 400 milligrams every night. At first, she felt better, but within 2 weeks, things went wrong. She began feeling dizzy and weak, and one morning she fainted while making breakfast. Her husband rushed her to the hospital. The doctors found her magnesium level was nearly double the safe limit, and her kidney function had dropped sharply. Of course, her kidneys were too weak to filter out the extra magnesium. It built up in her bloodstream and threw off her body's balance. Linda had mild kidney disease, something she had almost forgotten about. This story is not rare. Thousands of seniors make the same mistake, not realizing that their kidneys are the gatekeepers that control how much magnesium stays in the body. When the kidneys slow down, magnesium can quietly rise to dangerous levels. When your kidneys are healthy, they filter magnesium through urine to keep your levels normal. But if you have any kidney problems, even mild ones, the extra magnesium can build up. The condition is called hypermagnesemia. In its early stages, you might feel tired, flushed, or slightly nauseous. But as it worsens, you can develop muscle weakness, very low blood pressure, confusion, and in severe cases, even cardiac arrest. So if your doctor has ever said your kidneys are not functioning at 100%, or you have high creatinine or low glomerular filtration rate, it is safest to avoid magnesium supplements unless your doctor approves. Now, another warning sign involves your heart. Magnesium affects how your heart beats. It helps regulate the electrical signals that make your heart contract. But too much magnesium can slow these signals down, relaxing your heart muscles more than they should. This can lead to bradycardia, which means your heart beats too slowly. Some people even develop heart block, where the electrical signals are interrupted. If you already have a pacemaker or are on medications for heart rhythm problems, taking magnesium without supervision can be risky. Many seniors do not realize that their fatigue or shortness of breath could actually be a sign that magnesium levels are too high, not too low. If you ever notice your pulse feels slow, irregular, or weaker than usual, do not take magnesium until your doctor checks your heart rhythm and blood magnesium level. Another situation to be cautious about is when you are taking certain medications. Magnesium can interact with many drugs commonly prescribed to seniors. For example, if you are taking antibiotics like ciprofloxacin or doxycycline, magnesium can block their absorption, making the antibiotic less effective. If you take blood pressure medications, especially calcium channel blockers like amlodipine or diltiazem, combining them with magnesium can make your blood pressure drop dangerously low. Diuretics or water pills can change magnesium levels unpredictably, either washing it out too fast or causing it to build up. Even thyroid medication can fail to absorb properly if you take it too close to a magnesium supplement. To stay safe, always keep at least 2-hour gap between magnesium and any other medication, and let your doctor or pharmacist know about every supplement you take. The last group that should be cautious includes those with chronic digestive issues like diarrhea, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Magnesium draws water into the intestines, and when you already have a sensitive digestive system, it can worsen dehydration or cause electrolyte imbalances. Some magnesium forms, like magnesium citrate and magnesium oxide, are known to cause loose stools. If your gut is already inflamed or weak, taking magnesium may cause more harm than good. Now, on the flip side, there are clear signs your body is actually craving magnesium and you may truly need it. Let me share these 5 signals because they can quietly appear as your body's way of crying for help. One sign is constant muscle cramps or twitching. Magnesium plays a major role in relaxing muscles after they contract. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense longer, leading to painful cramps in your legs, especially at night. If you often wake up with your calf muscles tight like a rock, that is your body asking for more magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, or almonds. The second sign is chronic fatigue or weakness. Magnesium helps your body produce adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the main molecule that carries energy in your cells. When you are low on magnesium, your cells cannot generate enough energy, and you end up feeling tired no matter how much you sleep. Seniors with low magnesium often describe it as walking through molasses or feeling like their energy switch is turned off. De assert sanctuary ook pour sleep. Magnesium regulates neurotransmitters in your brain, including serotonin and GABA, which calm the nervous system. When your magnesium is low, your brain can go into overdrive, causing restlessness and anxiety. Many people notice that once they fix their magnesium deficiency through foods or mild supplements, they sleep deeper and wake up calmer. The fourth sign is irregular heartbeat or palpitations that come and go. This is the tricky part because both too little and too much magnesium can affect heart rhythm. When magnesium is too low, the heart's electrical system becomes unstable, causing skipped beats or fluttering sensations. Doctors often find that people with low magnesium also have low potassium, which makes the heart even more irritable. The fifth sign is chronic constipation. Magnesium draws water into the intestines and helps muscles in the colon contract properly. When you are low on magnesium, your digestion slows down. Seniors often blame fiber or dehydration for their constipation, but sometimes it is simply a lack of magnesium. The trick is to get it from natural food sources rather than heavy supplements. Now, you might wonder how to safely increase magnesium without risking overdose. The best way is through food, not pills. Nature provides magnesium in balance with other minerals your body needs. Leafy greens like spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are packed with magnesium. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are excellent choices too. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide a steady source of magnesium that your body absorbs slowly and safely. Even dark chocolate, when eaten in moderation, gives you a pleasant magnesium boost. If you still need supplements, start small. Choose forms like magnesium glycinate or magnesium malate, which are gentle on the stomach and easier to absorb. Avoid magnesium oxide, as most of it passes right through your system and causes diarrhea. Always start with 100 to 200 milligrams per day and increase only if your doctor recommends. And remember, the upper safe limit for adults is about 350 milligrams of supplemental magnesium per day. Anything beyond that can increase risk without additional benefit. It is also important to understand that magnesium works hand in hand with other nutrients. Vitamin D helps your body absorb magnesium efficiently, while calcium and potassium keep your electrolyte balance steady. If you only take magnesium and ignore the others, you might feel off balance. That is why a well-rounded diet is always safer than chasing one single mineral. So let me ask you this. Have you noticed your muscles twitching, or do you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping well? Do you take magnesium daily, or have you been told by your doctor to avoid it? Share your experience in the comments right now. Your story could guide another senior who is struggling silently. Remember, your body is wise. It gives you signals, but you have to listen. Too little magnesium, and your energy, mood, and muscles suffer. Too much magnesium, and your heart and kidneys take the hit. The secret lies in balance. In the end, magnesium is not your enemy, nor is it a miracle cure. It is a vital mineral that demands respect. When used correctly, it supports your bones, muscles, nerves, and heart. But when used carelessly, it can quietly turn dangerous. Always talk to your doctor before taking any supplement, especially if you have kidney or heart problems. Eat magnesium, stay hydrated, and your levels transfer. Because at your age, balance is not just about walking steady, it is about keeping every system in your body working in harmony. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be taking supplements without realizing the risks. And please, do not forget to comment below about your own experience with magnesium, good or bad. You might just save someone's life tonight. Stay strong, stay wise, and always listen to what your body is trying to tell you.